Hello, this is CJ from CJ Investing. We're looking at the merger updates for the top SPACs on the New York Stock Exchange. The first stock we're going to be looking at is LCA. It appears to have many catalysts coming up that include the financial numbers coming out tomorrow, an expected merger date soon, and it's got Tillman Tuesday coming up again. As far as the financial numbers go, we should see an increase. I believe DraftKings is going to increase this week because of the new football, and I think that'll push LCA up slightly. The financial numbers should be up. And then we're looking for a merger date very soon. And I'm thinking if a merger date doesn't come this week, then the merger can't happen in September. There's just no way. So we'll be looking for this to hopefully get us through till the end of September. I think Tillman Tuesdays will have a run up again. But I think by the end of this week, it could be sitting around $22. In the short term, when we're looking at the price target for the merger date, which should be at the end of September or early October, somewhere around $30 would be a good point to sell. If you're looking to hold this for a longer period of time, maybe 6 months or so, $50 would be a good point to sell as they look to expand into Michigan and Pennsylvania. Once again, this is a great company that is expanding rapidly in the future. Michigan and Pennsylvania are on tap for 2021, but who knows where it could be in 2, 3, 4 years from now. It could be around 30, 40 states, which always increases profits and revenue. OPES is the next merger we're going to look at. They're of course merging with BurgerFi as of right now. The price currently sits at around $14, and I'm looking at the merger date for it to be around $19. If you're looking to hold long term, I see it with the $40 range. BurgerFi is supposed to be a big competitor with HCAC, and HCAC is currently trading at $65. Of course, there's less restaurants with BurgerFi, but they're looking to expand. I think this chain has a chance to really grow over the next couple of years. As most of you know, a couple weeks ago they sent out a message to their stockholders looking to extend the merger 2 months. It was supposed to happen by the end of this month, but now we're looking for 2 additional months. I don't think it'll take that long. It should still merge by the end of October, I'm going to say, or early November. Once again, I love the upside, and I can really see this as a stock growing in the future. Another thing to remember is the last few extensions that OPES has had, it's been 3-month extensions. This time it's only a 2-month extension, so I'd say that's an encouraging sign. But I'd be looking for the merger at the end of October with a price target of $19. Now looking at the merger of FMCI and Tattooed Chef. The short-term price target I can see at $35 around the merger date. A long-term price target might be around $80 to $120. Beyond Meats is currently the top competitor, and their stock is trading at $134. Obviously, Beyond Meats is much more expanded. You'll see them at Kroger, Meijer, more local stores. These products are only featured in Walmart, but I can see them expanding in the future. FMCI actually just announced an extension, so they have up until November 15th now to file and get the merger complete. I still see this as an early October kind of merger, and I think early October to mid-October, that'll be the best part for the SPACs, and I can see a lot of them coming to life and really getting the ticker switched over at that point. The last SPAC we'll be looking at is HCAC. It is going to be merging with Canoe. It's an electric vehicle company, and I'm looking at a price target of around $20 when it merges, close to the end of November. It should be done by the end of the year. The monthly subscription program is what initially brought me into this. So you can pick out the car and you can only have to have it for 1 month at a time if you want to try it out. It kind of deterred me away when I saw that the subscription price would be $800 to $1,000, but it covers wheels, any issues with the engine. It covers all aspects of caring for the car. The one other dislike I have, and that it's been criticized for, is the shape and the car design overall. It looks a little bit odd. Looking into the future, though, Tesla is going to need a competitor, and I believe this could be one that runs right up there with them. For me personally, I won't be holding on to this long term, and the long-term price on this could be $100, but it could fail out. I'm not a fan of the subscription system, and this is just going to be something to watch. But with a low, the very bottom for the SPAC would be $10. So at $11, you have to buy in, and I'm at least going to ride the wave up and see where we are. Thank you everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. You can find me on Instagram at CJ_investing, and then find me at Twitter at CJ Investing. Thank you guys.